Okay, so I just wanted to thank you if you went through all the training, and just to wrap things up here, if you did everything you're supposed to, you should be on your way to making money by following the simple strategies that were in the training. Now, also, there's a contact form on the tabs under more. If there's something that you need help with, all you do is fill in the information there. It'll go to my email and I will respond to you. You also have my email, so you can just email me at any time that you want to, and I can help you out with anything that you need. So the more successful you are, the more successful I'm going to be. It's just how it works. So I put in the time to put this training together because a lot of people, they don't have something to follow. So now you have something to follow by, and I will update this accordingly to what's working best at the current time. So for right now, whatever's up there, it's working. Now, like I already explained earlier in the videos, make sure to bookmark this and come back and check on it. Also, I'm going to give everybody who's a paid member of my team, I'm going to give them this link, because when you get a paid member, you want to send them right to the training so that they have something to follow by too. And that is it. I look forward to everybody's success. Thank you so much.